Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today what I want to show you guys is how to do the coordinate system by 3 points to make it associative to the model where it's going to actually brand itself or link itself to this actual SolidWorks model itself. So when you get into your coordinate system, instead of doing your select face or define, come down to 3-point associativity. Like I said, this one is 100% associative to the model and locked to the model. So if anything changes that in size-wise and maybe your origin's over here and your coordinate system may get shifted over, this will always stay linked to this let's say this specific corner. So first thing we want to do is as soon as you click on 3-point associativity, you'll see that it opens up origin, X direction, and Y direction. So let's say I just want my origin point on the bottom left of the part. So I can click on my origin point. Then for your X direction, you want to pick the positive direction. So, and you want to click on a point. So if we click on this point over here, and then the Y positive, which would be over here. And then you'll see it automatically creates our X, Y, and Z that is 100% associative to this model itself. So just want to share that with you guys for your tip of the day. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.